Have you ever experienced something strange with your Alexa device? Some users have reported creepy noises and private details being revealed. From unexplained typing noises at 3 a.m. to questioning young children, these incidents are raising concerns about smart speakers listening in and retaining personal info. It's a growing issue that's sparking debate about the safety and security of these devices in our homes. With more people sharing their unsettling experiences, it's clear that something needs to be done to address these concerns and protect user privacy.